So I'm back with my second pair. This is an animal print one that they sent me. I love these. I am a sucker for animal print. As you can see, they're really shiny, which I love. It really is a statement piece. You just literally have to put on a black top and it speaks for itself. It has the same concept with the belly band all the way up. Again, it's very, very, very soft, which I love. If you can see in the back, just regular leggings, really cute. Super, like these might even be like more comfortable than the white ones. I feel like I could sleep in these. These are really, really comfy. But I really can't wait to wear these out. They're perfect for the fall season coming up. So I am super excited to put these babies to use. So thanks again, guys. I'm really enjoying them. I can't wait to go out and about in them. Thanks. Bye.